Hi friends, myself Subrata Mukherjee. I am working as a teacher in Mahadevananda Mahavidyalaya, Barakpur. Today I am going to discuss two problems on material variance in standard costing.
Which has adopted standard costing furnishes the following information. Standard material for 70 kg of finished product of 100 kg. Price of materials rupee 1 per kg. Actual output 2,10,000 kg. Material used 2,80,000 kg. Cost of materials rupees 2,52,000. Calculate material uses variance, material price variance, material cost variance. In this type of problem, we have to calculate the four parameters. In this problem, there is only one raw material which is used. So, we need to calculate only four parameters. Number one is standard quantity. So, represented by SQ. So, SQ is standard quantity for actual output. So, this actual output, what is the standard quantity for actual output? In this case, for 70 kg of output, material required is 100 kg. So, for 2,10,000 kg of output, material required is 100 by 70 into 2,10,000 kg. So this gives you 3 lakh kg. Therefore, SQ is equal to 3 lakh kg. Second parameter is standard price. SP is equal to standard price. So in this case, this is rupee 1 per kg. AQ is equal to actual quantity consumed. So this is given as 2,80,000 kg. And AP is equal to actual price per kg. So here price per kg has not been given. So your 2,52,000 is the total cost for 2,80,000 kg of purchase. So price per kg is 0.90 per kg. So now we will calculate material cost variance, material price variance and material uses variance. So material cost variance. Given by MCV. So SQ into SP minus AQ into AP. So we have already calculated the four parameters. Number 1 is SQ, 2 SP, 3 AQ, 4 AP. So when only one raw material is used, we will calculate these four parameters. Now we will put these values in different formula. In case of material cost variance, SQ into SP minus AQ into AP. So the value is 3 lakh into 1 minus 2,80,000 into 0.9. So this gives you rupees 48,000 favorable. What is the meaning of this favorable or adverse? So we are calculating the cost variance. So if standard cost is greater than actual cost, we have favorable variance. Favorable variance is denoted by, within bracket, it is written as F. And if standard cost is less than actual cost, we say adverse variance. Within bracket we write A. So the next variance is material price variance. Material price variance, MPV. So SP minus AP into AQ. 1 minus 0.9 into 2,80,000 is equal to rupees 28,000 favorable. And third one is material usage variance. Or MUV. So this is given by the formula SQ minus AQ into SP. So 3 lakh minus 2,80,000 into 1 is equal to rupees 20,000 favorable. So for reconciliation, material cost variance has two parts: material price variance, material usage variance. So this is given, calculated at 48,000, material price variance at 28,000, and material usage variance at 20,000. Now within one page. So standard quantity you need to calculate, then standard price, actual quantity, actual price. And what are the formula? Material cost variance is given by the formula SQ into SP minus AQ into AP. In case of material price variance, SP minus AP into AQ. And in case of material usage variance, SQ minus AQ into SP. Second question. The standard cost of a certain chemical mixture is 40% material A at rupees 200 per ton, 60% material B at rupees 300 per ton. A standard loss of 10% is expected in production. During a period, they used 90 tons of material A at the cost of rupees 180 per ton, 110 tons of material B at the cost of rupees 340 per ton. The weight produced is 182 tons of good production. Calculate material variances. I have prepared a table for the information which is given, standard and actual. So here 40% and 60% standard mix. So we have taken that 100 tons for out of input, 40 ton is used for material A and 60 ton is used for material B. And normal loss is 10%, so 10 tons. So this is the output, 90 ton. And what is the price? A rupees 200 per ton, B rupees 300. For actual, 90 tons and 110 tons of material are used to get 182 tons of output. So what is the loss? 18 ton is the loss, which is calculated as balancing figure. So when more than one material is used, we have to find out 5 parameters. In the previous problem, we have calculated 4 parameters, but here we have to find out 5 parameters. So what is the standard quantity? Let's see. SQ, standard quantity for actual output. For A, 40 by 90 into 182. So to get 90 kg at 90 ton of output, A is required 40 ton. So for 182, what is the output? So standard quantity means standard quantity for actual output. So what is the output? 182 tons. So to get 182 tons as output, A is required 80.88 tons. Similarly, standard quantity for B is 60 by 90 into 182. So this is equal to 121.33 tons. These are the standard price. I am not writing. So these are the standard price. These are the actual quantities, AQ. These are the actual price, AP. So I am not repeating those figures again. So one is the standard quantity, second is the standard price, third is the actual quantity, fourth is the actual price. And the fifth parameter is revised standard quantity for actual input, which is given as calculated as RSQ. RSQ. Now let's see how RSQ is calculated. RSQ means revised standard quantity for actual input. These are the two parameters which is very important. And one has to be careful when you are calculating standard quantity and RSQ, that is revised standard quantity. So what is the revised standard quantity for A? So this is calculated as 40 by 100 into 200. So what is 40? 40 is basically what is the portion of A in the input. So if 100 ton is the input, 40 ton is of A is used. So 200 is your input. Actual input is 200 ton. So revised standard quantity for actual input of A is 80 ton, and for B it is 60 by 100 into 200 is equal to 120 tons. So these are the 5 parameters we have calculated. So these are the 5 parameters we have calculated. So one is standard quantity, 2 standard price, 3 actual price, 4 actual quantity, 5 revised standard quantity. Now we will calculate material cost variance, material price variance, material uses variance, material mix variance, and material yield variance. So material cost variance is given by the formula standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into actual price. So for A, 24 is the 24 adverse, and B 1001 adverse. So sum total is 1025 adverse. Material price variance is given by the formula SP minus AP into AQ. So for A, next is material price variance, which is given by formula SP minus AP into AQ. For A, this is 1800 favorable, and for B it is 400 adverse. Next is material uses variance. So SQ minus AQ into SP. Material uses variance is given by the formula SQ minus AQ into SP. For A, this is calculated at 1824 adverse, and B 3399 favorable. So total MUV or material uses variance is 1575 favorable. I am just putting the values that I have calculated in the formulas given. The fourth one is material mix variance or mmv. So this is given by the formula RSQ minus AQ into SP. So it is under material uses variance. Material uses variance has two sub-variance. One is material mix variance and the other one is material yield variance. So material mix variance I have calculated for A 2000 adverse and for B 3000 favorable, and total material mix variance is 1000 favorable. The last one is material yield variance. So material yield variance is a subvariance of material uses variance, and material yield variance or MYV is given by the formula SQ minus RSQ into SP. SQ minus RSQ into SP. Material yield variance we have calculated for A 176 favorable and B 399 favorable. So material cost variance is calculated as AQ into SQ into SP minus AQ into AP. Material price variance SP minus AP into AQ. Material uses variance SQ minus AQ into SP. Material mix variance RSQ minus AQ into SP, and material yield variance SQ minus RSQ into SP. So material cost variance has two sub-variants, material price variance and material uses variance. And material uses variance has two sub-variants, material mix variance and material yield variance. In problem number 2, material cost variance we have calculated 1025 adverse. Material price variance is 2600 adverse. Material uses variance is 1575 favorable. This is 1000 favorable and 575. Yeah.
Hope all of you have been able to understand the problems that I have discussed today. I request all the students of commerce who have viewed my channel to subscribe my channel. Thank you.